Wix affiliate program aimed at site owners who can drive traffic to Wix through their original contents. You can promote Wix affiliate program by online articles, tutorials or how-to videos. If you are a small website designer or a developer, you can use the Wix affiliate program to your customers. In Wix affiliate program, we can earn $100 per premium user with unlimited payouts. The more sales you refer, the more you get paid. The premium user means a user who did not cancel their upgrade before that 14 days trial period. The Wix offering 14 days trial period. In Wix affiliate program, no limits to how many sales, that's not a matter. More sales you refer, the more you will get paid. But active affiliates can minimum $300. So if you have in your account $300 to getting paid. In Wix affiliate program, the cookie validation is 30 days. Every month 15th you will get paid.